All right, check it out. Bentry Contractors. Beautiful pergola cover, clear, out in Frisco. It's absolutely beautiful. So this clear system, let's talk a little bit about our premium standing seam clear system. So it's becoming more popular because of all the light that it lets through. So why would you choose the clear over the bronze or the white ice? We have bronze, white, and clear. Clear lets through 80% of the light. So when you're talking about this system, you're gonna let through the most amount of light of any of our systems. Still gonna drop your temperatures, but it's gonna block the rain big time. That's the biggest one. And so you've got that indoor-outdoor feel. And this one really does give you that because it's going to rain a little bit later today in Dallas, and you'll be able to sit out here and really enjoy it. So it gives you that inside-outside feel. You've got a roof, but you really feel like you're still outside. So, this system is UV coated on the top side, so it will not become brittle or break. It's guaranteed to last for 10 years. Impact resistance is ridiculous. I've been on top of pergola covers with softball size hail dents on top. They just dent, they don't break through, golf ball, anything like that. It usually just kind of bounce off of there. Yeah, it's gonna drop your temperatures a little bit. It's also gonna protect your pergola, so that's a big deal. So this pergola is gonna get protected for 10 years from 100% of the UV. So you're not gonna get any UV rays that actually damage or deteriorate this pergola, so it's gonna let that last a lot longer. This beautiful furniture that they have down here, that's gonna last a lot longer because you're getting absolutely zero UV rays that are gonna degrade the system over time. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys this awesome one. This is the premium standing seam clear system. So yeah, check us out, message us, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, check us out, holler us about covering your pergola.